Exercise 46. Start. I am directed to say that certain doubts and misapprehensions have been raised regarding distinction between warning and censure, as these have now were been defined in clear terms. The position, therefore, has been examined and is explained in the following paragraphs for the guidance of all departments. The foremost aspect to bear in mind in the fundamental and formal distinction between the two terms and order of censure is a formal and public act intended to convey that the person concerned has been held guilty of some blameworthy act or omission for which it has been found necessary to awarded him a formal punishment. Stop. Nothing can amount to a censure unless it is intended to be such a formal punishment and imposed for good and sufficient reasons. After following the prescribed procedure, stop. A record of the punishment so imposed is kept on the officer's confidential roll, and the fact that he has been censured will have its bearing on the assessment of his merit or suitability for promotion to higher post. There may be occasion, on the other hand, when a superior officer may find it necessary to criticize adversely the work of an officer working under him, or he may call for an explanation for some act or omission, and taking all circumstances into consideration, it may be felt that while the matter is not serious enough to justify the imposition of the formal punishment of censure, it calls for some informal action, such as the communication of a written warning, admonition, or reprimand. If the circumstances justify it, a mention may also be made of such a warning, etc., in the officer's confidential roll. However, the mere fact that it is so mentioned in the character roll does not convert the warning, etc., into a censure, although such comments, remarks, warning, etc., also would have the effect of making it apparent of or known to the person concerned that he has done something blameworthy, and the some extent may also affect the assessment of his merit and suitability for promotion. They do not amount to the imposition of the penalty of censure, because it was not intended that any formal punishment should be inflicted. Stop. I am to request that these instructions may be brought to the notice of all government servants working under your control. Clause.